Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration I'm going to show you how to install the Helpdesk plugin of RedmineUP. Before started, you have to know that you have to install the Contacts plugin first, because Contacts plugin is required for a Helpdesk to be able to work. You could install it, the free light version of the CRM plugin or Contacts, it is the same. It could be downloaded anytime from our page. Okay, so let's proceed further with the Helpdesk. First thing that you have to do is that you have to download the very latest Pro version of the Helpdesk plugin. It is in the current situation version 4.1.3. So we have to extract it first and then enter the folder and copy this one. It is redmine/contacts/helpdesk. Okay, so we copy this folder and go into the Redmine core folder. In our case it is Redmine 5.0. Here you have to find the plugins folder and here please paste it. Okay. Next thing is that you have to open your command line and then navigate into the Redmine core folder. Please be careful because you do not have to execute the next commands into the plugins folder, but they have to be done here into the Redmine core folder, which in our case is Redmine 5.0.0. Okay, so once you're here, you have to execute the bundle install command. This command is installing the required gems for this plugin. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to do the migration command. It is done with the following command. Please make sure that in the name here you have to set the plugin's name, which in our situation is Redmine/contacts/helpdesk, and we click enter. These are warnings that are for developers and they do not harm the work of the plugin. So we see that the command is successfully executed and the migration is done. So the last thing before we continue is to restart our Redmine. Just before the restart, we could go here and see that in our Redmine we do not have Helpdesk. So after the steps that we have done, we are now going to see if it's successfully appearing. So we restart, click on restart. So we just refresh our Redmine page and just wait a couple of seconds while refreshing. Okay, we see that the Redmine Contacts Helpdesk plugin is now successfully installed. So, thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.